Hello and welcome to the database tutorial for Play Index from H.W. Wilson. My name is Matheson Westlake and I'll be leading you around. Now, this database does not include the full text of the plays, but the scope is pretty broad from antiquity, classical plays, and contemporary playwrights like Young Jean Lee, for example. Do a basic search here, and we've discovered 23 item records from Young Jean Lee, some of them plays, some of them supplements to the play. We're Gonna Die, for example, has a series of monologues. There's an accompanying CD and a songbook with it. Let's try another playwright. How about Molière, classic playwright? And we do a search and come up with 346 results, and right away notice not all of these are by Molière. So we'll choose author in that specialized field there. And we're seeing some duplicates of these results. Let's go over to the source type and choose plays only. And here we have a sampling of his works. Tartuffe, one of his most famous. There's a cast breakdown by men and women, how many in the cast. And let's see what else we can try out. Filtering by genre. You can see that's one way to browse. All the different genres available in the database are listed down here in this little box. And maybe we're looking for a radio play. We can type that in the box and change the field to genre. So this is an example of how you might do a little browsing. 626 plays. Let's see if we can narrow it down from there. Maybe you're an educator and you want to do an adaptation of a classic work. Let's see if there are radio plays out there that have already done an adaptation, maybe something that you would be reading in English class. And let's scroll down here, and we do see some recognizable ones. Legend of Sleepy Hollow, Gulliver's Travels, Huckleberry Finn. So there's some things to choose from here. Let's play around with combining fields a little further. Let's do a subject search for a detective. Maybe we can do an old-fashioned detective radio play. And we come up with 5 choices, a couple Sherlock Holmes in there. Now we're going to look at how you might need to experiment and play around a little bit. You'll see that I put a dash in between one and act because this is a controlled vocabulary and the details do matter to a certain extent. So we'll change this just to see what happens when we put in abstract, how many results we get, and it's fairly limited, 89 results. Now, if we experiment and try putting this as the subject, let's see how many results come up. We see a jump to 273 to choose from, but I have a feeling there's even more in here. And if we filter it by genre, for example, we're going to see a lot more results, and just how many you might be surprised by. Oh, we get thousands of results here. So let's look at a way we can filter the results. Subject is a great way to do it. If you click See More, you can see all the subjects with the most repeated ones at the top. If we're working with high school students, we might want to limit this by the subject of adolescence. And we've got 118 plays to choose from here. So thank you very much for going on this little tour of the Play Index with me.